You can navigate to the Questions Profile Manager through the Administration Manager page at the bottom. Once you arrive at the Questions Profile Manager, you will see a table with the questions profiles. You can search for a question profile by entering the question or any part of the question in the search box and clicking Search. If you want to increase the number of results, you can do so by selecting a higher value in the Results per Page drop-down. The table with the questions profile can be sorted by clicking the table headers. The profile name should always be short and specific. The question count is for information only and has the number of questions in the profile. If you want to delete a question profile, you can do so by clicking the red X to the right. You can edit the name of the size profile by clicking Edit beside it. You can then change the name and click Update to save your changes. To create a new questions profile, you need to use Add New Profile section. Enter the profile name and click Add. Now you know how to manage questions profiles. Let's look at how to manage the questions. To edit the questions in a questions profile, select the button beside the questions profile. The questions section will load below the Add New Profile section. To add new questions, you need to scroll down to the Add New Questions section at the very bottom of the page. The question plain text field is what will be displayed in the invoice and shopping cart summary. Data type refers to the type of information you'll be asking for. Check means you are asking the customer to tick or not tick a box. For example, do they agree to the terms and conditions? Date means you are asking the customer to enter a valid date, for example a birthday. List means you are asking the customer to select a value from a list of predefined choices, i.e. male or female. Number means you are asking the customer to enter a numerical value, for example age. Text means you are asking for a general text response, example first name. The mandatory question field asks you to set whether a customer must provide an answer to the question. If set to yes, then the customer cannot continue unless they provide a valid response. The List Additional Info field is where you supply the required details for the list options and descriptions on checkboxes. For list options, you only need to enter each option separately by a comma, for example male, female. For checkboxes, this is optional and will appear directly beside the checkbox as seen here. Once you have entered all the information, click Add and the new question will appear in the table above. It is important to note that it is not the end of creating a question. If you want to further customize how the question appears, you need to click Edit beside the question. Once you've clicked Edit beside the question, you'll see a fully functional online editor. Here you can add as much content as you need for the question, including pictures and video. There is another video detailing how to use the online editor. This editor is key to managing how the questions display during the registration process. As seen in the examples here, we have put headers in to create virtual sections within the list of questions. All other fields can be edited. Once you are done, click Update to save your changes. You change the order of questions by clicking the up and down arrows beside each question. Finally, it is possible to delete questions by clicking the red X to the far right of each question. This completes the setup of a questions profile, and you can now assign profiles to events.